SkyNexFlow Reviews. Building confidence through better market decisions. Successful market participation is not only about reacting quickly, it also requires patience, discipline, clear goals, and access to reliable information. SkyNexFlow is designed around these principles. The platform combines trading tools, account management, market insights, and support features in an environment built to help users move forward with greater clarity. One of the main themes found in SkyNexFlow Reviews is long-term focus. The platform encourages users to remain connected to their financial objectives and avoid making decisions based only on short-term market noise. SkyNexFlow also emphasizes confidence through steady progress. Users can study market timing, compare available assets, and analyze changing conditions before making a decision. This approach supports a more thoughtful process instead of impulsive activity. The platform provides access to more than 300 global instruments and promotes low-cost trading conditions, including spreads that may begin from 0.0 pips. It also describes withdrawals as smooth and free from platform charges, although external payment providers may apply their own conditions. SkyNexFlow also presents community and professional support as part of the experience. Users can learn alongside people with similar goals while accessing assistance during active market hours.